Alright, so
what are we doing today?
we're fucking gonna install this diffuser in my car. And yeah, man, see how it fucking goes. Real quick. If anything, I can always fucking re-drill if I have to. Just gonna hand tighten everything now. Just drill and hand tight. Alright, I got it. Found the hole. You find the hole, bro. You find the hole, bro. You're finally deep inside that PC.
Make it look like I'm doing something. Yeah, it looks good. Shit, fuck, savage.
Dude, this thing's fucking crazy, dog. Holy shit.
It looks good, huh? It actually looks fucking good.
Ready?
Mimi won't know. Dude, that's JDM as fuck. Look at that shit. Hey Christian, what are you gonna do when the if the car falls on you? I got you.
Yeah, pretty much. If the car falls on me, I'm probably
no, I got you.
Protect my ball sack.
No, look, if it lands on that, I think you're okay. I got you.
Pretty much in place, dog.
Bags, bro. Must be nice. Ooh. Damn, whose S2K is this though?
That's it.
Damn, you're done. That's just sick, dude. Oh,
fuck. That just installed just right in there. Alright, now we gotta get the car down. The hardest part. Getting the car off the jacks, dog.
Damn, that diffuser though. It looks good.